Here are the 5 main reasons why you need to choose and purchase this new construction home to be your primary residence. Number 1 is the location. This new construction home is located in the prime location here in Central Florida, which is developing and growing area. Second is affordability. Yes, this new construction home is affordable right now because the location is developing and they are not fully developed, so the price is very affordable at this current moment. Third, they have a quick move-in home, which means you can own this new construction home and move in as soon as 30 days to 60 days. No waiting. And the last 2 will be on the main video. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible Filipino realtor. Yes, I am Pinoy, nagtatagalog po tayo, onting Bisaya, and I'm specializing in new construction here in Central Florida with LPT Realty. A quick summary of our channel, if you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, a new VIP tour and also a VIP deals that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to all your family and friends, especially who wants to own a new construction home and live here in Central Florida. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to Lakeside Model by DR Horton. This Lakeside Model is just a little bit new out here in Central Florida. This is 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 car garage, and just close to 2,100 or over 2,000 square footage, which is 2,077 square footage to be exact. First of all, I will give you 5 reasons why you need to consider owning and living here in this particular community itself or this particular model. As you can see it here inside of the home, it's very beautiful, very spacious, and I will tell you why you need to consider this beautiful new construction home. Number 1 is the location. This property or this community is located in Haines City, which is the prime location. Is very developing area, which is not fully developed yet. Yes, this is not fully developed yet, is they are still developing. So it means once you're here in Central Florida in Haines City, they have a lot of things going on. However, they are super close to the 3 main location that I will tell you right now. Number 1 is the hospital. The Adventist Hospital is just about 11 miles away, 21 minutes, and that's the main hospital in this community. It's super close, and if you are planning to move here for relocating for your job or if you need a hostel, the hospital is around the corner from this particular community. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Disney World. Yes, the Disney World is just around the corner from this particular community itself, and the distance of this is about 24 miles or 34 minutes, which is about half an hour, let's say, more or less from this community itself. Very close, very good location. And the last one that I would like to talk about here is the shopping area, which is the Posner Village. The Posner Village, where you can get all your shopping area like the Home Goods, Marshall, Target, grocery, cinema, and all the restaurants that your favorite. It's around the corner from this community as well. It is about 14 miles away or 25 minutes from the community itself. Very doable and very close as well. The second reason why you need to consider this is the affordability. Yes, since this is developing area and they are keep growing, the price or the home price here is very affordable at this time. And also the starting price of this beautiful new construction home is from 360,000 and above, right? So 360,000 for 5 bedroom, 3 full bathroom, 2 car garage, over 2,000 2,000 square footage is a very good deal right now. It's just because the location itself is not fully developed yet. I'm pretty sure once this location is fully developed, the price that you are seeing right now will be more or probably double in the future, right? The third one that I would like to talk about here is they have a quick move-in home. So it means like if you are going to buy a new construction home, you have a choice of either you can build it, which will take you between 6 months to 12 months or a year before you can move in and fully build your new construction home, or you can buy a quick move-in home, which is you can move in within 30 to 60 days, which is the similar when you are buying a resale home, which is no building time and no waiting time to be built, so that as soon as you close the deal or as soon as you close your loan, you can move in straight away to your beautiful new construction home. Something like this. Very good, right? Especially if your lease is ending soon or if you need to move in quick, you can buy this home and move in straight away after your loan approval or after you have a cash purchase for this one. The fourth one that I would like to talk about here is they have a home buyer incentives right now. So if you're going to buy this as your primary home, or if you are a first-time home buyer, they have a buyer incentives and the interest rates as low as 399 or 499 for FHA loan. If you don't know that loan or FHA loan, that loan you can have it or apply for it as long as you're a first-time home buyer and you're gonna use this home as your primary home. However, if you are going to use this home as your secondary home or vacation home, the FHA loan doesn't apply. Okay, so if you want to have, I am not a lender. If you want to know more about the loan, I can help you to pre-qualify for the in-house lender on this particular builder, right? Please take note, the interest rate are keep changing. They are not always like that. Sometimes they go up a little bit, sometimes they go down a little bit. However, they are not going the same rate all the time. As you know, the interest rate is going up and down at this current moment or at this current market. So if you want some updated interest rate, come to me. I will give you some updated interest rate to the in-house builder so that we can have some idea what are they giving, and of course I will help you to negotiate well and the closing costs at the same time. They can give you or give us closing costs so that you will save money out of your pocket during or upon buying this new construction home, which is very, very good. The last one that I would like to talk about here is if once you're interested to this new construction home, they will include the brand new stainless steel appliances as well and extended warranty, which is very, very good. Some communities, some builder, they don't include appliances, which is washer and dryer. Some builder does, some builder doesn't. However, for this particular community at this current moment, they are including a brand new stainless steel appliances, which a bonus for you or considering you to buy this property or purchase this brand new home so that you will have appliances as well ready for moving, and you can have the extended warranty as well. As soon as you close the property, all you need to do is just register your stainless steel appliances to get the extended warranty. Just in case something happens to warranty, you will be covered, which is a very, very good deal. And also the builder itself, they have some warranty as well on the actual home. So if you want to know about the warranty and all that stuff, please come to me, message me on my social media. Feel free to text me or inbox me to all my social media like Instagram or Facebook, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions, and I'll be also happy to help you own this new construction home and save you a lot of money during the process. I also help a lot of people who moving here or relocating here in Central Florida, not just this particular location, but all over in Central Florida, like Orlando, West Florida. Most of them are brand new home or new construction home, which I am specializing at, and they are very happy about my service and also about their purchase home. So this is the video for today. I hope you like this video. If I missed something or if you are ready to buy this new construction home, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who watch this video until this end. And I appreciate your time watching our video until this end. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. Bye. This is a little bit. Here you go. Not bright. Makes better, right? Bye.